Round of applause for Mr. Adil Hussain, a very versatile actor. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, make some noise यार. एनर्जी कहां गई? सब लोग सुबह सुबह उठ के आए हुए हैं आप एकदम.
Thank you.
वेलकम सर. जहां मन करे वैसे तो सब आपका ही है और आपका तेवर देख के डर गए सर हम लोग. द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप मिस्टर प्रवाल रमन. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. ये बवाल उन्होंने ही मचाया है जिसकी हर कोई यहां वहां हर जगह तारीफ कर रहा है. प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ दिस मूवी मिस्टर अमित कपूर. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी. एंड साथ में मिस्टर विक्रम खाकर. खा पीकर हम लोग भी आए हैं. कम ऑन यार थोड़ा है ना. हाँ क्या बात है जोश. और अब बुलाना चाहूंगा द वेरी हॉट ऑसमलिशियस द वेरी गॉर्जियस रिचा चड्डा को. हाँ अब मचा सबसे ज्यादा हल्ला. That's all about it. हाँ आगे बढ़ेंगे. यहां पे एक सवाल प्रवाल जी के लिए. सर मेरे को यह पता लगा है कि एक डायलॉग है जिसको हमने इससे पहले कुछ फिल्मों में सुना है. डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है. उसका और इस फिल्म का कुछ लेना देना है. एक्चुअली वो चार्ल्स के ऊपर था डायलॉग कुछ ऐसा जिसको यहां लगाया गया.
वेल द वेरी फैक्ट कि डॉन जो मूवी है वो डेफिनेटली चार्ल्स के लाइफ से इंस्पायर्ड थी.
ओके
या सो इट केम इन 1978 एंड इट वाज इंस्पायर्ड.
राइट. ये अंदर की बात यहां पे पता लगी है. दो और बहुत ही खास कलाकार हमारे साथ यहां पे मिस्टर एलेक्स ओनील. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज. एंड साथ में नंदू जी के लिए भी तालियां बनती है. सुपर्ब एक्टर एलेक्स ओवर. एंड नाउ रिचा, इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ाएं इस आफ्टरनून को, एक सवाल आपके लिए. व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट चार्ल्स? क्या है वो एक चीज जो जहन में आती है?
चार्ल्स और मैं सबसे पहले 1984 में दिल्ली की सेंट्रल जेल में मिले थे. चार्ल्स इज वेरी सेक्सी and every time I see him I feel like having sex with him.
How dare you say that? I mean, is this what your parents taught you? Good Lord! And where is Charles?
Yeah, where is Charles? मतलब सब कहाँ है भाई? Where is Charles? Where is Charles?
Having sex with him.
Charles है कहाँ यार? कोई बताएगा? मतलब all the ladies नजरें सबकी. There he comes, Charles.
I think that is enough.
That's Charles for you, ladies and gentlemen. Mayor Charles की cast and crew right in front of you. Charles सब कुछ हथकड़ी के साथ करेंगे या रिचा जी, would you do the honors?
Handcuffs.
I think I would rather have you in the handcuffs.
Later.
So yeah, रिचा जी, do the honors ना. चाबी भी लेके घूम रहे हैं. That's Charles for you, ladies and gentlemen. ये देखने के बाद हर कोई चाहेगा हथकड़ी हमें लग जाए. ये शो की अदाएं देखें जरा, हथकड़ी खोलते हुए यहां पे. Charles, this one's for you. How difficult was it? The accent, the mannerisms, कितना difficult था ये चार्ल्स के कैरेक्टर में घुसना?
I think it was easy because I had a great director on the helm of the movie, and he helped me a lot. He showed me a lot of material, which is, based on the character, and I think we copied him pretty well.
Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां बनती है because that's not easy. The accent is not at all easy, and he's doing it amazingly well.
बहुत दिनों पढ़ वेले थे।
आदिल जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, एक टॉप कॉप जिनके मैनरिज्म्स को आप कॉपी कर रहे हैं या उनकी कहानी है, उनके पर्सपेक्टिव से देख रहे हैं आप चार्ल्स को, उनको कितना फॉलो करना पड़ा, कितना डिफिकल्ट था या कितना आसान?
मुझे प्रवाल जी ने लेके गए उनके पास मिलने के लिए, और मैंने जब उनको पहली बार, आई थिंक few months before the film, and when I met him, I felt that this is me. And somehow unknowingly as well, he pointed out, because he know him very, very closely, that yeah, this is what he does. When he gets irritated, this is what he does. When he gets angry, this is what he does. I was like, how did that happen? It's very mysterious as the character Charles. Things happened in the film also mysteriously to me.
सुपर, वो देखने को मिला इस ट्रेलर में. Now it's over to the media, और उससे पहले एक फोटो ऑप अगर आप लोग चाहें तो over to you. We done that? Yeah, we've done that. All right, questions, ladies and gentlemen?
सवाल मेरा आपसे है कि आप इस एक्सेंट में बात कर रहे हैं, इसी तरीके से 3-4 पासपोर्ट आपके और देखे गए थे, तो अलग अलग तरीके के इंसान आप इस फिल्म में दिखाई देंगे, तो थोड़ा बताएं कि कौन था चार्ल्स और किस तरीके का था, क्या तैयारियां रही आपकी, क्योंकि हमने तो सिर्फ गूगल पे पढ़ा है और उसके अलावा कुछ जानते नहीं।
हमने भी गूगल पे ही पढ़ा है दोस्त। चार्ल्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टडी, मेरे ख्याल से चार्ल्स को खुद भी नहीं पता वो कौन है। उसने इतने रूप बदल चुका है और इतने वो खुद से और दुनिया से झूठ बोल चुका है कि उसको खुद भी नहीं शायद पता है। उसका सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मेरे ख्याल से ये थी कि वो एक बहुत डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली से था, और फ्रांस और वियतनाम के बीच में वो इतना घूमा कि उसके पास दोनों देशों से नेशनैलिटी नहीं थी। तो उसकी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी कि उसके पास कोई नेशनैलिटी, कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं थी। उसको कॉम्पनसेट करने के लिए वो अलग अलग आइडेंटिटियाँ अपने आप को वो बना सकता था, क्योंकि उसकी खुद की कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं थी। तो मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ी कैरेक्टर की ये है कि वो अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी बनाते बनाते खुद को खो गया, मेरा ख्याल से। दूसरा, मेरे ख्याल से चार्ल्स ऐसा आदमी है जो कि ह्यूमन रिलेशंस में, ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शंस में बहुत अच्छा है। वो आपसे मिलके, आपसे थोड़ी देर बात करके आप ही की जैसे बातें करने लग जाएगा। तो वो इतना अपने आप को अडैप्टिव बना चुका है कि वो खुद कहता है कि जब तक लोग हैं, as long as there are people involved, I will get out of any situation. So he has mastered the human relationship and human interaction, which really sets him apart from other people. But I don't know how smart he is, because he spent like 30-40 years of his life in jail. And I feel that once he's outside the jail, he feels less important. And I think that is why he keeps going back and keeps doing things for that. I think he's a great marketer. I think he really knows how to create stories and then sell them. When he was released from prison in India and he was sent to France, which happened because first France government refused to take him. Then there were 3 Marines caught, or 3 fishermen caught from France, who were taken prisoners by India, and France wanted them back. So India put a condition that we will give you those prisoners back if you take Charles with you. So finally चार्ल्स को उन्होंने पासपोर्ट दिया। चार्ल्स ने अपनी पिक्चर्स, पेरिस में लैंड होने वाली पिक्चर्स ऑलरेडी लाइफ मैगजीन को बेच दी थी। ही लैंडेड देयर विद अ ब्राउन पेपर बैग ऑन हिज हेड। सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ मैन ही इज, एंड rest you'll find out in the movie. I think we have also tried to explore him as much as you are very interested in him. We have also been very interested in him. We have spent many years detailing his character, and we are hoping that he likes it.
प्रवाल, एक लाइन है ट्रेलर में कि गौतम बुद्ध का अवतार है चार्ल्स। तो आपको लगता है कि इसमें कोई कंट्रोवर्सी या कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है आने वाले दिनों में, क्योंकि वैसे ही एडल्ट फिल्म है तो बहुत
नहीं, पहली बात जो भी रणदीप सर ने कहा है वो हमारे फिल्म के कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ना कि आपके गूगल वाले चार्ल्स के बारे में। तो ये जो हमारे फिल्म का कैरेक्टर है उसके बारे में उन्होंने बताया है। और दूसरी बात, गौतम बुद्ध का अवतार है, द कैरेक्टर विच आई हैव रिटन, there are many views on him. So if somebody thinks that he is as pious and a great spiritual leader as Gautam Buddha, there's nothing wrong. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, you were seen playing a very bold role in the film. What were the kind of preparations you have done for the film, and was it difficult to slip into your character?
Hi, define bold. Is it the bedsheet?
No, just the entire portrayal of your character, the dialogue that you start off with, that
I want to have sex with him. Who wouldn't? Thing is,
I'm embarrassed.
Okay, that was for the character.
Yeah. The character had to be such that the character that Randeep plays in the film, which is called Charles, has that power over, I would even say, even men and women. He had some seduction, some allure, something mysterious about him. And you want to get to know him, you want to spend time with him. You'd go to any extent to see, to do what he asks you to. So, in that sense, it was one of the most interesting characters I've played, and no preparation, because Praval was very precise about what he wanted. In fact, even in a look which had no dialogues or just a response to something that he said, he was really precise. So I didn't have to work that hard at all. I just had a blast.
We did spend a lot of time together getting comfortable, though.
In the jail.
Hi. So did you or the team ever try to reach out to the real Charles?
Well, he thinks that he's got the exclusive on everything, so we don't want to disturb him. But our whole thing comes from the charge sheet that was filed, and the research that we did, and all the information we got from Mr. Amod Kant, because this is his account of the jailbreak, of which Charles is a character. I would personally like to go and meet him and show the film, so that we can tell him and we can show him how accurate we have been from all the information we've had. I'm sure that he'd be thrilled after watching this movie. So I'm really wanting to meet him. I'm sure every person I talk to, especially women I talk to that I might be going to meet him, they all say, I want to come along, I want to come along. So it is my big calling card these days. So whoever, all of you want to meet Charles, please contact me. I might, see what merit you're on.
Voyeuristic cases around, so many people are enthralled by it. And I'm obviously not going to ask you whether you identified with playing the character, but at any point did you empathize with him, and was that scary for you at some point?
Of course I empathize with him. How can you play a character without empathizing with the character? No, I didn't feel sorry for him at all. I think he really knows what he's doing. In fact, he's very good at knowing what he's doing. In fact, I sometimes feel and get up in my sleep and think that maybe he knows what I'm doing. It's very strange. Sometimes I get up in the night and I feel, oh shit, does he know I'm sleeping? Is he around? Can he see me? So that's the kind of omnipresence that this character has, and he has been a part of every life. In fact, there's a very strange thing that Mr. Amod Khan told us. We were going to go meet him, and he says, don't go meet him. I said, why? He says, 70 years old, what's he going to do? He says, no, you're going to come back doing what he wants you to do instead of what you want to do, and you will be so believing that it is what you want to do. So that is the power of his understanding of human psyche and relationships.
The films you have signed have been all have been biopics, be it Rangrasiya or Mayor Charles, and your next film, that is Sarabjit. So how difficult it becomes for you to play someone else on the big screen every time? Like, adapting someone else?
I think I get bored of myself very quickly, and playing another character who's lived a life, and because he's lived a life, you know all kinds of informations about him. But ultimately, brother, whichever film you're doing, biopic, non-biopic, or whatever, it is a part. You are playing a script. Ultimately, you are playing a script which has been given to you. How much truth you can instill in it is between your and director's interactions. But mostly you have to follow the script, not the real life, because a script is a concise a filtration of real life. Otherwise, we'll have to make a movie 20 years long or 40 years long. You know what I mean? So you have to follow the script, but I do find all these characters very interesting, fascinating, and I think that is the best part of my job, is to live many lives without the real repercussions, and that's what thrills me.
To the most, like a commercial cinema or a film or a biopic?
Cinema attracts me, man. It is you people and certain other people who decide whether it's commercial or it's not commercial or at all. You do your job the same way and with the same interest.
आप हमेशा कॉप के रोल में दिखाई दिए, भले वो वंस अपॉन अ टाइम हो या जन्नत 2 हो. इस बार यू आर ऑन द लॉ, अदर साइड ऑफ द लॉ. सो हाउ वाज इट प्लेइंग द अदर साइड, द डेविल साइड?
I definitely find it more interesting.
So were you waiting?
Unless I'm playing a drunk cop, then I can drink on the set.
So were you waiting for such a script जिसमें आप you could play something different and image change?
This film has been first it was discussed 5 years ago, brother. So I have done at least 15 to 20 movies since, so I've not been waiting for this script. It was a script that I wanted to be a part of for a very long time, and finally we've seen the day where we have made it, and now we are out with it. And I think that journey itself has been so full of learning and experience that I do not think about which role I'm doing. I'm just so excited about sharing this story with people.
बहुत सारे मैं हैं, like all of as you see, Nandu ji, he's playing the person who actually apprehended him physically, and Mr. Zende, he plays Zende. Alex is there, and Richa plays. So all of us are men, and I play Amod Kant, as he was mentioning. So Amod Kant was the mastermind behind his conviction, because he came to know about his intention why he broke out of the jail, and he found out, and I don't want to give the whole story. Director साहब आप मुझे रोक दीजिए कि बस यहाँ तक बोलिएगा. So he finds out why he has broken out of the jail, and then he makes sure that he takes it almost personally that this man cannot be in the society, cannot run around freely in the society. He makes sure. So that kind of conviction and kind of honesty and integrity this character has, Amod Khan, and that's what I play.
जी मसान की सक्सेस होने के बाद आपको कितनी उम्मीदें हैं इस फिल्म से?
बहुत उम्मीद है और बहुत विश्वास है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करेगी. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, और यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं सब ने बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत हिम्मत रखी, बहुत सब्र के साथ काम किया, और हम सच में बहुत खुश हैं ये कहानी आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए.
अपने रोल के लिए आप खुश हैं?
और ये फिल्म अलग भी है.
जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला आपको अपने रोल के लिए?
जी जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन बहुत मिला.
लेट्स नो अबाउट दिस जेंटलमैन
Alex.
इनका Alex experience. Can you share your experience with us working, and what is your role in the movie?
Well, my role in the film is one of the folks who falls under Charles's spell for a while and relies on him a great deal. He's kind of lost in a bunch of circumstances he can't get out of on his own. But my experience in this film was phenomenal. You see in front of you some of the best actors in this country, so it was just an honor to work with them, and obviously with Praval sir as well, who spent so much time making this really detailed and extremely interesting film. I really think people are going to love it.
Any trouble from the censor board yet? What did Mr. Nilani have to say after watching the trailer? Has he insisted on any cuts?
If we just showed you the trailer with the A certificate, there's no problem, right?
So he had no problems?
I think so.
Okay. Randeep, why are real life gangsters always glamorized in Bollywood?
This guy's not a gangster, man. He's not a gangster.
He's a criminal.
He's a checkered past. I think he insists that he's not done anything wrong in his life. So it's not that. See, other gangsters might be glamorized because of Charles Sobhraj. Charles Sobhraj himself is a very glamorous man.
But do you think he's innocent?
Of course. Why would I not think he's innocent?
Okay.
See, he was a state prisoner, and even in Nepal, when he's in prison, he has been thrown into prison without. Sorry. No, of course, every criminal believes he's innocent. He's never confessed to his crimes, and he thinks that there are people after him. There is a bigger conspiracy. That is why he's in the prison. He's got no business being there. In fact, he is upright to the human rights, and they are trying to fight his case in Nepal now. I think he's innocent.
The trailer begins with a lot of words: charming, enigmatic, magnetic, and a lot of stuff. Do you identify with these adjectives in your real life as well?
Sometimes.
Which one?
All of the above.
Charles Sobhraj was also known as the Bikini Killer. What's your take on the same?
It's never been proved. It's never been proved. He's never gone to. He's never been convicted of murder, except for in Nepal now, and that too. They did not bring out any evidence, and they just, they did not bring any witnesses, and they just prosecuted him. It's absolutely wrong. I think we should start a campaign to get him out.
इंटेंस किरदार को निभाना कितना मुश्किल होता है, क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन आपने इस किरदार को निभाने की?
सर मैं तो वेट कर रही हूँ, मुझे कोई ऐसी बबली गुब्बारों वाली कैंडी फ्लॉस टाइप की फिल्म करें, क्योंकि मैं इंटेंस फिल्म बहुत कर चुकी हूँ, मुझे बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं आई। और जैसा आप समझ रहे हैं वैसा किरदार नहीं है शायद। इंटेंस इन द सेंस कि ये फिल्म एक थ्रिलर है, पर कैरेक्टर बहुत मज़ेदार है, डबल शेडेड है, लगता है कि मैं बहुत होशियार हूँ पर हूँ नहीं फिल्म में, इस तरह का किरदार है। तो बहुत मज़ा आया, और काफ़ी लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, प्रवाल ने इतनी प्रिसाइज डायरेक्शन की कि उनको जो अगर रिएक्शन शॉट भी पसंद नहीं आता था तो हम वो बाद में रीशूट कर लेते थे, बिकॉज ही न्यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांटेड।
फिल्म के बनाने के पीछे क्या मोटिव है, ये जानना चाहूँगी मैं।
पहला मोटिव है कि ये गूगल वाला चार्ल्स नहीं है, ये एंटरटेनमेंट, ये मेरा किरदार है जो मैंने लिखा है। और क्यों? नॉट टू ग्लोरीफाई क्राइम बट टू इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ केस स्टडी, एंड अ कैरेक्टर लाइक चार्ल्स, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ ट्रू इंसिडेंट्स, but a character like this is always extremely enigmatic, and I have seen that these kind of glorified criminals need to be understood and portrayed in the correct fashion for others to know that it is not just glamour, there are a lot of other things comes as pain, and how they are wronged and how one needs to look at them. So it's basically a case study. Yes, as Randeep said, a lot of entertainment as well, but a case study.
I've forgotten here. I mean, sometimes I used to say, "Oh, you are shooting today." So no, I don't know. Maybe 6, 7, 8. I don't know how much the censors will chop out.
365.
I don't know how much they'll chop out, bro. But it was fun. If that is what you're trying to ask me. Well, you never praise another lady in front of another lady, but I'll tell you later. For who? Charles? Singing songs? Yeah. No, I don't think that'll work out, my friend. We are not singing songs, but there is a beautiful background score and there are beautiful songs in the movie, which we will be releasing subsequently. It's a very new sound and some old sound, and it's mixed very well, and it gives that feeling, that coolness that Charles has, and I think you're going to enjoy the music once we put it out in the public domain.
रणदीप, जब प्रबल आपसे भी सवाल है कि जब रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स पे फिल्में बनती हैं तो अक्सर फिक्शनलाइज भी काफ़ी किया जाता है, तो इस फिल्म में कितना फिक्शन है, रियल लाइफ पे तो है ही, कितना फिक्शनलाइज किया है आप दोनों ने इस फिल्म को? प्रबल आपसे भी सवाल है।
आपसे भी पहले किसका जवाब चाहिए?
रणदीप।
ओके, रणदीप सर।
मेरे वाला जवाब ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग मिलेगा। मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत क्लोज टू लाइफ है जो कि केस हुआ था, जो कि मिस्टर अमोद कांत ने हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, जैसे चार्ल्स थे और जो जो इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं। ऑफ कोर्स ये फिल्म है और ये हमें 2 घंटे में एक कहानी बतानी होती है, तो उसके अलग अलग टुकड़ों को जोड़ने के लिए आपको उसको थोड़ा बहुत फिक्शनलाइज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो आप एक कोहेरेंट 2 घंटे की फिल्म, एक काफ़ी महीनों की जर्नी 2 घंटे में नहीं दिखा सकते। उसके अलावा मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत ही इन स्पिरिट, ये इससे ज़्यादा क्लोज फिल्म चार्ल्स पे नहीं बन सकती।
प्रवल, कितना ड्रामेटाइज किया है आपने डायरेक्ट करते वक्त?
आपको ट्रेलर देखे कैसे लगा?
ट्रेलर अच्छा है,
तो ड्रामेटाइज किया मैंने।
किस हद तक ड्रामेटाइज किया?
अब परसेंटेज में कैसे बताऊं? 60%, 70, 80, क्या 90?
इसके अलावा आप सरबजीत भी कर रहे हैं, तो क्या स्टेटस है, कब से शूटिंग स्टार्ट करें और ऐश्वर्या के साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस कर?
कौन सी पिक्चर?
सरबजीत।
मैं और चार्ल्स। मैं और चार्ल्स रिलीजेस ऑन 30th of October and I am sure you guys will like the film and I hope we can rock your socks like Charles does.
है कि जहाँ फिल्म की बात की जा रही है चार्ल्स के कैरेक्टर पे, सीधा आपके एकदम सीधा, तो जब भी किसी के कैरेक्टर पे फिल्म बनाई जाती है तो उससे अप्रूवल लिया जाता है ज़्यादातर, नहीं तो बाद में अगर वो सीन उन्हें पसंद नहीं आता या कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वो केस कर सकते हैं। तो आपकी कोई बात हुई है या राइट्स के वगैरह में, या तो फिर ये एकदम ही फिक्शन है, सिर्फ केस के ऊपर है?
देखिए, मैंने पहले ही कहा ये चार्ल्स सोबराज के ऊपर फिल्म नहीं है, करेक्ट? इट इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ कैरेक्टर, सो मुझे परमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर से क्या परमिशन लूँ। दूसरी बात, अगर परमिशन की बात आती है तो मिस्टर अमोद कांत का कैरेक्टर बगल में बैठा हुआ है, इनसे परमिशन ले रखी है हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि जब रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स को फिक्शनलाइज कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए वी डेफिनेटली नीड सम लीगल एड टू अस, एंड दैट इज मिस्टर अमोद कांत। दैट्स इट।
While writing
Let me make it even more clear. It is based on the account of Mr. Amod Kant about the jailbreak that happened in 1986 from Tihar jail, where a man walked out of the jail, opened the gate and walked out of the jail with 3 other people, while 175 policemen and inmates were lying drugged, unconscious on the ground. It is that case in 1986. The rights have been given to us by Mr. Amod Kant, who was the investigating officer of the case, and it is based on the charge sheet, and of course it has been dramatized and fictionalized to fit into a movie. Am I clear?
I think that sums it up, and that's all we have, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan for the entire cast and crew of मैं और चार्ल्स। आखिरी चीज, प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ पे दोनों विराजमान हैं, एक जाते जाते यूएसपी आप लोगों से भी जानना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज टोक रहे थे, रोक रहे थे, बहुत कुछ है।
जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे उसमें एक डायलॉग है जो रणदीप एक कैरेक्टर को कहता है कि इट्स टाइम टू गेट फेमस। आज के बाद लोग आपको चार्ल्स के नाम से जानेंगे, तो मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि आज के बाद लोग हमें भी चार्ल्स के नाम से जानेंगे कि कितनी बेहतरीन पिक्चर बनाई है, और हम भी फेमस हो ही जाएंगे इस तरीके से। And when Prawal had written the script and he narrated me the script, I think me and Vikram both were like blown away. Ki this is one character that the world has to see. And when he gave me the suggestion of Randeep playing it, I said nobody else can nail the character like this guy. And today we are so proud of the fact that our faith in both Prawal, Randeep and the entire crew has been like totally satisfied. Amazing guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you ladies and gentlemen. आप लोग के ऊपर है, अब जो भी है
30th को फिल्म देखिए, पसंद कीजिए, that's all यार।
सही है, प्रोड्यूसर वाला ही मैसेज आया है यहाँ पे, है ना? Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your patience. You're here.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैं और चार्ल्स के लिए। Thank you so much.